Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to combine two materials using a mask in Blender. So I have this first material set up, you can see it on your screen right now. Then the second one, which is sort of like a rusty type material. And then I have my mask, which if you preview it, is basically isolating the edges. And if you don't know how to get your whole node set up into one of these little group nodes, I'll show you how to do that real quick. So what your node setup will look like is probably something like this. You'll have your material. Then simply select everything other than the material output and then press Ctrl G. That will put it into a group input node just like this. Then you can name it whatever you want. I've named it Rust. And then to get the other one, go to your other material and do the same thing, then copy and paste the group node into your other material, and then they'll both be in the same area like I have set up right here. Anyways, back to it. So to combine them, I'll hit Shift A and search for a mix shader like this. Then I can take this guy, the metal, plug it into shader bottom and the top, and then plug the mask into up here and plug the shader into the surface. And just like that, it is isolated them using the mask, and we've combined two materials just like that. Those are the basics of combining two materials. You just use a mix shader and then a mask to combine them. And if you want more about this edge mask, I'll zoom in real quick for you. But if you want a video on it, I made a separate one entirely on that. So yeah, that's how you combine two materials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.